Today, I'm really excited to be showcasing you guys our brand new launch of Sculpt Glow. In this tutorial, we're going to be looking at our brand new Sculpt palette. Curated to showcase the stunning cream contour tones in the series, it's available as individual compacts as well as the full range in a palette form. Before applying the contour detailing, I prepared the skin with two key products. First, the Digital Complexion Concealer in D32 is applied and blended to colour correct deeper areas of skin tone, before the Digital Complexion Fluid Foundation in the same skin tone creates a luminous skin-like finish. The shade Cool Deep from the Sculpt palette is selected to create the contouring. I like to use two brushes, one for precision placement and the second for effortless blending. The formula is first placed underneath the cheekbone and worked into the base. In soft circular motions, the product is blended following the natural structure, fading the colour out before it reaches the apple of the cheek. Working in a C shape, the contour is blended along the jawline, connecting the detail together. A soft shading is then applied to each side of the chin, creating more defined definition and shape to the jawline. To draw the focus to the eyes and the brighter central panel of the face, a subtle shading in Cool Deep from the Sculpt palette is applied and blended to the temples. To bring a synergy of tones to the overall complexion, a soft application of the contour is applied to the sides of the nose and up through the socket line. Thanks for watching our tutorial today. If you're interested in this product, head over to our homepage, but please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.